Good morning, folks. How are you doing? In today's video, I'm going to explain you ClickWorker site from scratch. This video will be in detailed that what is ClickWorker and when you land into this ClickWorker page, this term AI training data is very important here. Why it is important? Because this is the business for which you are working. Though in India we don't have AI sectors, but in developed countries like USA, France, Saudi, they are and China also, they are hugely their government hugely invested in AI, artificial intelligence. And another aspect of AI which is unexplored is the Mars mission. Human Mars mission. Human will settle in Mars for prolonged period of time. It is a NASA's mission. So AI will play a major role in space missions, in deep space mission, because as you know that we are limited by our biological needs. We need oxygen to survive, but robots don't need oxygen, right? So if a person is in Mars and he should be in the dome. Like dome is a artificial colony, you can say that where the oxygen is like Earth. So actually, NASA is creating a small Earth within Mars where human can live. But when human leave that Earth-like space, then he needs oxygen cylinder for survive because we are limited by our biological limitation. But in that case, if exploration is necessary, like nowadays robots are exploring the Mars or exploring the comets, then AI will play a major role. So now this, as you know, that Clickworker and all these companies are from West, from developed countries, and they have their own AI sector. So AI is a broad field, and we don't need to talk about it because many of the non-technical person are listening to me. So you can say that AI means robots, okay? And what is this training data means? What is this training data means? The training data means that whenever you want to train a robot, to train a machine, then you have to feed some data. Like we feed data to a toddler, to a child, to learn that thing. Like uh, we feed a car picture to a toddler or an animal picture to a toddler's brain. To many of the animal pictures, many types of many angles of animal pictures, so that the toddler can identify in future that what is elephant, what is lion, what is this a car, is this object a car, he or she can identify. So just like this analogy, we are also feeding training data. You can see in this picture that here the input is the training data. It is the training data. After that, feature means a car has some feature by which we can identify this object is a car, like some special shape and size, some special feature like they have four-wheeler tires and four tires and all that. These are the features. So feature are extracted and it will feed into this classification neural network, and this is a big term. So basically you can say that we are feeding this card picture into the brain of the computer, into the brain of the robot, just like a toddler, just like a child. Okay, and after feeding so many inputs, millions of card pictures into this brain, uh, the brain will get trained like a toddler. And after that, if we give this brain another picture and we say that identify the card within it, then this brain can identify. So it is called machine learning. It is a part of an AI, of the AI, and we can say that, and we can here see that this is the input, this is also a training data, and this is deep learning or brain. And just like the above picture, as I stated, it is this kind of input is also get fed into this brain, and after that this brain can identify that this is the car. Okay, so we are not concerned about this brain and all these technical jargons, but we are concerned about this portion, input. And this is the business of ClickWorker. ClickWorker produce this input or AI training data. Okay, so AI training data is the business of ClickWorker. Now, to log in into this page, uh, you can say that best input for your AI system, and you can also see that AI training, uh, one term is also very misleading or confusing to you. What is crowdsourcing? Here you can see that in this website a map is showing, and our crowd, this term crowd is very important term here. Crowdsourcing means that because the number of staffs within an MNC is very limited, like in Google or like in Facebook, they have limited staff, they have limited resources, like they have limited buildings and sitting capacity, but they have huge number of projects. They want huge amount of AI training data to train that AI, but this kind of millions of big data can't be generated by only by their employees. They need to be produced by 2.8 million click workers. So they crowdsource this job to us. Okay, this job to us so that we can create huge amount of AI training data, so that their AI is smart, is their AI can be trained and get very smart. Sorry, get very smart, that they can identify various kinds of issues, like in Facebook. In today's time, Facebook is a social media which influence various kinds of political debates, political thinking, mindset. So politicians are using Facebook nowadays. So Facebook is based on AI training data, because Facebook is based on an AI algorithm which needs constant data to be fed, so that the AI algorithm can smartly detect which data is biased, which data is wrong, and which data is good. So Facebook also crowdsource their this AI training data job to us or freelancers, so that we can create the data. Okay, so this is the, but they don't directly uh, send this job to us. They send this job to these third party contractors, we can say ClickWorker app, ClickWorker, who employ us to generate the AI training data. So this is the theme. Okay, Now how data is created? Data is created from our mobile phone, from our tablet, from our laptop. We create the data, and here are some case studies, and these are the business jargons. You don't need to understand that. So this is the click worker. This is the business model of click worker, and what click worker is doing, and what you will do as a click worker. I explained it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like it. You can subscribe for many more informative videos, and if you want to share this video to your friends and families, you can share it. Thank you for your time and have a good day.